The life sciences industry is experiencing a paradigm shift toward large molecule biologics and the required high-volume injectors to deliver these treatments, which are often viscous and challenging to infuse. Patient demands for a shift in the point of care have forced pharmaceutical companies to rethink how patients receive these life-saving treatments. Connected, wearable, and reusable delivery devices that can effectively dispense novel biologic solutions are needed in order to meet these demands. But managing complexity within the organization hinders the speed of innovation. Virtual twin experiences open up new possibilities for life sciences and healthcare, enabling the development of safer and more innovative products to transform the patient experience. Instead of focusing on the burdens of treatments, patients can focus on the things that matter most to them. Named after the Greek goddess of recovery, IASO is a showcase of the life cycle of a combination product in oncology. From upstream thinking to commercialization, IASO demonstrates the value of the 3D experience platform, with data continuity and data integrity along the innovation continuum. Life sciences companies can switch from a document-based, siloed approach to a data-driven and model-based strategy, enabling the development of safe and innovative combination products that ultimately transform the patient experience. The IASO showcase begins with research and discovery, focusing on earlier decision-making to identify the best quality therapeutic candidates, accelerate time to market, and control research and discovery costs. By investigating and testing hypotheses in silico prior to costly experimental implementation, companies can select the most promising candidates and solve potential late-stage development issues. Once the best drug candidate for the targeted disease has been established, the active substance can transition to pharmaceutical development. Developing a scalable bioreactor process with an efficient management of its process parameters and the analytical testing of the resulting therapeutic is of the utmost importance. By connecting people, processes, products, and data, effective and safe treatments with cutting-edge biological therapeutics get to manufacturing faster with higher quality and compliance. Best-in-class device design and development solutions powered by virtual human modeling, risk management, and systems engineering capabilities give engineers a complete and trusted multi-scale and multi-physics testing environment. With this, the device design accommodates the drug's viscosity to deliver accurate doses while ensuring efficacy, patient safety and comfort, and continuous connected monitoring. Enterprise operational excellence is a comprehensive global approach to quality, regulation, and compliance, ensuring enterprise-wide data integrity and accelerated project execution. Intelligent dashboards display all crucial information to quickly react to change and facilitate a more informed decision-making process. Unified clinical development solutions transform the entire clinical trial by connecting people and processes to clinical trials and real-world data. Life sciences companies can intelligently design a robust clinical trial program, launch a study startup to foster stakeholder relationships, ensure compliance and site readiness, continuously capture and analyze patient data and the combination product data throughout the trial, and organize the final results to reduce risk and facilitate patient-centric outcomes. To deliver IASO to patients on time, companies need to achieve manufacturing excellence. As pharmaceutical manufacturing lines transition towards small batch production, end-to-end line optimization ensure that therapies are produced faster and more sustainably. Manufacturers can connect systems, people, and data by leveraging plant and process modeling, simulation, and validation within the virtual twin, even before the production line exists. Commercialization delivers data management, advanced analytics, and powerful insights to help life sciences companies reach peak year sales faster, gain insight into market dynamics and product demands, uncover future opportunities, and understand patient behavior to maximize adherence and outcomes. They can stay informed throughout the commercialization process to act at the speed of business. IASO, the showcase for designing, testing, validating, and producing combination products digitally using the 3D experience platform to transform the patient experience.